start. That Mercedes is caught up quickly. Here we go. This is game on, and it's very close. I'll get a better start than that Mercedes, but I think it's just going to take this. Oh, I got a better start, but then the Mercedes somehow took it. Sorry, BMW fanboys, I let you down. I let you down. I know what I want to do. Let's say best 2 out of 3. Okay, so I just realised that I had this car's four-wheel drive system set into M Sport, which is more rear drive bias, so I think that impeded me. I've now put it into normal four-wheel drive mode and we'll see what happens.
3, 2, 1.
Neck and neck start. Oh, that Mercedes is just quicker. It just is. That's it. It's pretty conclusive. 2 runs, Mercedes won both times.
Race, the £87,000 Mercedes got a much better start than before. As a result, it did the standing quarter in just 11.2 seconds. But while the £89,000 BMW got off the line just as well, it took 11.4 seconds to do the quarter mile. Now this is actually 0.3 of a second slower than when I previously timed the new M5 on its international launch.
Oh my God, this is fast!
Though that was on a grippier racetrack surface. In identical conditions, the Merc is clearly a touch quicker.
Now we're going to have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour. Both cars are in comfort mode like you're cruising on the motorway. I'm going to count it in, I'm going to floor the throttle, see what happens if you're challenged. Okay then, 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, I think mine kicked down a bit quicker. And it's neck and neck this. I think this BMW, I don't know. It's, yeah, there's nothing in that. Maybe, just maybe, the Mercedes was edging by a few millimetres. I definitely wasn't catching it. Oh.